you want to update the PHP for your WordPress website, it's really easy to do. Now, you may not actually have to update your PHP. It may already be taken care of by Cloud Linux using hardened PHP, but we can still update the PHP of our WordPress site. The first step is to back up our WordPress site, and you can do that by coming to Plugins, Add New, and use any of these free backup plugins to back up your site. You can also go to cPanel and do a full backup of your site. After you've backed up your site, head back here to Plugins and Add New. Search for PHP Compatibility Checker and install and activate this plugin. After it's installed and activated, you can head down to Tools and PHP Compatibility. It's important to check the compatibility of your website before you change your PHP version. So select the version of PHP you want to switch to and go ahead and run a scan. After the scan is complete, it will tell you if any plugins are compatible, incompatible, and the same thing for your themes. Make sure your theme is compatible before you update. Now we'll head to cPanel to actually update the PHP of our site. I'm assuming you're using Namecheap, but this process will be similar for other hosts. Once you're on your cPanel dashboard, assuming you're using Namecheap, you should see Select PHP version right here. If you're not using Namecheap, you may need to scroll down and find Software and Select PHP version. Both of these apps will operate in a similar way. I'm going to use Select PHP version right here. From our PHP selector, we can see our current version of PHP. The current version as of today is 7.4. So we can go ahead and change this to 7.2, 7.3, or maybe even to 7.4. Let's do 7.3, and we'll set that as current. Once we do that, our PHP version will be updated on our site. Make any other changes you may need to. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do anything, and be sure to go ahead and save. Now we can head back to our WordPress dashboard. Now that we're back on our WordPress dashboard, you can see our PHP warning is now gone, and we have fully updated our PHP to a faster and more secure version. Now you should go ahead and check out your site to make sure it's working properly. If it's not, you can always go back and change your version of PHP just by repeating the steps that we've already shown. But that's how easy it is to actually update your PHP or your WordPress website.